Check out this awesome technique using Hologram HTV. Instead of using rhinestones, you can still get that bling effect, and all you need is some hologram, and I'm going to show you how. So first you're going to want to go ahead and get your design. You can download them off Etsy. They also have fonts there, or you can get free fonts off of dafont.com. So once you've purchased your design, you're going to want to go ahead and download it, and then you're going to click on that zip file to decompress it, so it will reveal all of your different files there. Go ahead and upload your SVG into Design Space, and then once that's done, you can click that image and then insert it into your canvas. And as you can see, there are a few extra pieces that we do not need for this design. We don't need those squares, so I'm just going to go ahead and ungroup this and delete those. All right, yep, and last one. Okay, now those are all gone. We're going to go ahead and resize this design. So this is going on the back of a t-shirt, so I'm going to make this 10 inches wide. It's going on the back of a women's medium tank top. And from there, you're going to want to go ahead and click Make It. That'll send it to your Cricut. And make sure first that you mirror every single piece of your design. Go ahead and click Continue, and get your Hologram HTV ready to be cut. Place that down on your mat with the shiny side down and load in your mat. Then go back and select Glitter Iron-On after you've moved your dial to the custom glitter setting. Then once that's all done, click that flashing green C, and it's going to start cutting out little itty bitty circles which make up the entire design. Now we're going to go ahead and weed all of this material. Watch how easy this weeds. As long as you get the right cut with our Hologram HTV, you'll have no problem weeding this material. It weeds beautifully, and it's super easy, and it really doesn't take as long as you may think. Move on to the silver. Just look at that. It's so satisfying and so much fun to weed. And it definitely takes a few minutes to cut because there are a ton of circles, but it's really not too long. Go ahead and give this technique a try and let us know what you guys think. And then after we're going to finish this last piece off, this is our red Hologram HTV. And all of these materials, they will give you that rhinestone bling effect once they hit the light. It's going to look super beautiful at the end. Now we're going to go ahead and apply this. I am pressing each piece for 4 to 6 seconds, about that, at a 305 degrees. We recommend between 305 to 310 degrees. And our Hologram HTV is a cool peel, so give that a second to cool after you've pressed it before you remove that carrier sheet. And I'm just going to repeat that with the silver and the red, and then at the end I will go ahead and do my final full press of 10 seconds. Last piece, just get this red in here, make sure it's all lined up, cover that with a Teflon sheet or with a piece of parchment paper, and press that for just a few seconds so it adheres. And like I said before, it's a cool peel. And then once that carrier sheet is removed, we're going to go ahead and do our final press. So go ahead and make sure your entire design is covered by your Teflon sheet and do that final press for 10 seconds. And then as you can see from this side angle, it is so blingy and so pretty, and it looks just like rhinestones, and it is so much more affordable. Hope you guys love this technique. Let us know in the comments.